In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Discord password if you've forgotten your old password. So you've probably tried heading over to the Discord application and clicking on User Settings. And then if we click on Change Password, this is obviously the typical place you would come to change your password. But of course, it requires your old password, and in this case, we don't have the old password. So what you need to do to change this is just close out of these windows, and then you'll need to log out of the Discord application. So in order to do this, click back on User Settings, scroll all the way down on the left, and just select Logout. Then click on the Logout button, and what you need to do now is enter either the email address or the phone number that's associated with your account. Once you've entered your email address or phone number, click Forgot Your Password. And now what's going to happen is you'll receive a recovery link either sent to your phone number or email address. So just go ahead and press OK. And now what we can do is head over to our email inbox, and you can see here this is the recovery link that was sent to us. So just go ahead and click on Reset Password. And now from here you can enter a new password straight from your browser without needing to know the old one. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next